Good morning, class. I hope you all are doing very good. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. Today we will start new block 12, using a map. Be ready with all your essentials and please sit with your partner. Now let's revise what we have studied in previous class. We have studied about lower course of river. In this stage, river is known as old age. This stage is called as old age stage of river. In this stage, speed of the river is very slow and silt and heavy rainfall makes the soil fertile. Land which is near this course of river and the point where river ends its journey and empty its water in a big water body such as sea or ocean, that point is known as mouth of river. And in the mouth of river, at that place, its deltas and estuary are formed. A delta is triangular in shape and it is formed due to the deposits of silt over many years at the mouth of river. And when a river flows without stopping and does not flow through all three stages and quickly drain into a water body without forming a delta, so that path is called estuary. And estuary and deltas are formed at the mouth of river. Now some keywords from today's topic. Locate means to find the exact location of something. Title, the name of a book, play or film or other things. Compass rose is a device that helps to see the directions, device or tool. Symbols, a sign which represents something. Key, something that helps you to understand something. Scale, the size of something. Scale means the size of something. Now answer, have you seen a picture of the Taj Mahal? Do you know where the Taj Mahal is? And do you want to go and visit the Taj Mahal? You can answer to your partner. And most important question is, can you find the Taj Mahal from its photograph only? Can you find the location of Taj Mahal only from the photograph? And can you find any place in India from its photograph only? And can you tell the name of a place from its photo? Can you tell where a place is actually located on the earth and how to reach there from its photograph only? What do you think? Can we know the actually location of a place from its photograph only? Why and why not? So answer is no. Only photograph cannot help us to locate a place easily. We need a map, and only map is not enough. If you remember, we have studied in class 3rd about maps, and we have studied that water bodies are shown in blue color and forests are shown in green color. So there are different colors for different places or different physical features of the earth in a map. Similarly, we can also know the direction of the place and we can know the distance of the place with the help of map. So such things are called elements of a map, and today we will learn how to find places with the help of a map or how to use elements of a map. Today we will learn about only elements of a map and what are the uses of different elements. This is your topic for today, elements of a map. Write topic name in good handwriting and write LP1 Now, our aim for today is to be able to recognize the elements of a map. What you need to do is open your content book, okay? And look at the map given on page number 21. Look at the map of India from the relevant chapter. This is the map. You need to look at this map, and from this map you need to note down all that you see on the map and note down in your notebook. Note down every small details, symbols, keywords, and observe the lines, everything, and note down in your notebook. Okay, you can pause the video, take your time, complete this and come back. Now you need to answer what all do you see on the map of India. How does this map help us? So the map of India shows the states and capitals and the boundaries. And how you can know that this is a boundary? By seeing the symbols from legends. From legends we can know that the dotted lines are showing international boundary and the straight line is showing state boundary. And how do you know that this is the map of India showing states and union territories? By reading this title. And we can know symbols from legends. And map also shows an arrow pointing to the north direction. Here you can see. Here. And when you know the north direction, you know that opposite side will be south, right will be east and left will be west. So in this way, a map gives all the necessary information about a place, which helps us to read and understand the area shown in the map better. This information is given with the help of the elements of a map. These things are called elements of a map. Now answer, what are the elements of a map? What are the name of these elements? So there are many elements of a map. We know that this is a map of India as it has been written on the top. So this is called the title of the map. Title is written on the top. Title give us the information that which map is this, and we know the directions with the help of north arrow. It is given below the title, and this arrow tell us all the direction, because how do you know all the directions? With the help of north arrow. When you know the north, that south is opposite is south, right is east and left is west. So with the help of direction we can locate the states, capitals or anything given on the map when we know that where this place is. So we can locate it on a map. And with the help of symbols, it would be easy to locate states and capitals or anything. And symbols are given in a list. This list is called legend or key. Okay. There is a list of symbols on a map. That list is called legend or key. Other than these, we can also find the distance between any two places shown in the map with the help of scale. For example, in this picture you can see 1 inch is equal to 250 meter and 1 centimeter is equal to 160 kilometer. So with the help of scale, you can know that 2 inch will be 500 meter. So we can find the distance between two places with the help of scale. So these four things, title, direction, legend and scale, helps us to read the map. They are known as the elements of a map. Now answer, how can we recognize the elements from a map? I hope now you can answer. How can we recognize the elements from a map? We know that this map is of India with the help of title, and north arrow helps us to know the directions. Legend or key helps us to know the meaning of symbols. There is a list given on a map is called legends or key, and in this list many symbols and their meanings are written. And scale on a map help us to find the distance between two places. You can pause the video and you can revise it by yourself again. Now answer, what is the importance of the elements in completing a map? So a map is incomplete without its four elements. The elements help us to read the information given in the map. Without the elements, it will not be a complete and true map. So we cannot find a place only with the help of a blank map. We need elements in a map. So a map is incomplete without the elements, because elements help us to read the information given in the map. That's why a map is incomplete without its four elements. Now this is question of the day for you. Question is, what is the purpose of a legend in a map? And this is your writing work. You need to do PQ 3 and 7 and read the topic, finish S1. And this is S1. Question 1 is, you want to visit the Charminar in Hyderabad. What will help you to reach there? A photograph of the Charminar or a map of Hyderabad? Why? Give the reason. Don't finish your answer by writing yes or no. Okay? You have to give the reason. Next question is, circle and label the elements of a map in the map. Question 3, can you name any one element of the map which is not very useful and can be ignored while using a map? Give reasons for your answer. Don't need to write the important one. You need to write the element of a map which is not very useful and can be ignored. Okay? Read the question properly and then answer the question. And this is today's capital and state. Capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Learn the spelling by writing it many times. Okay, capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Now let's revise what we have studied today. So there are four elements in a map: title, direction, legend and scale. They help us to read the map and they are known as the elements of a map. And how these elements help us? Title help us by knowing the name of the map and from which country and from which state this map belongs to. We can know by the title. And north arrow key is known to help us to know the direction. Legend or key is a list of many symbols with their meaning. And scale helps us to find the distance between two places. And you need to answer this question in the comment section. Question is, what are the elements of a map? Name them. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can answer the bonus question and answer this question in the comment section. And don't do unnecessary comments like I have done or good morning. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Take care everyone. God bless.